Hey, it's Jake Mace with JakeMace.com. Bird style Kung Fu. Birds are not cranes and birds are not tigers. Well, cranes are birds, but birds are not cranes as far as the Kung Fu student is concerned. In this video, we're going to talk about and perform some bird style Kung Fu. Think about when you've got a cluster of half a dozen birds going into a tree and you hear a commotion with all of them chirping and making their sounds and fluttering all over the place. It's very chaotic, and as a human, we can barely make out what they're doing, and then they all scatter different directions. And none of them are injured. They fought to the death, but no one got injured. And bird Kung Fu is kind of like that. It's very fast, very explosive, very chaotic. Where tiger Kung Fu is very powerful and aggressive, and crane Kung Fu is very smooth and fluid. And so bird is its own style of Kung Fu. And right now, let's do a couple sections of bird style Kung Fu. I'm gonna upload the full tutorial with full instruction from multiple views, front and back, to the Kung Fu online school at JakeMace.com. But if you are not a member of the online school yet, it's just $5. You can get started by watching this video. Let's get to it. First, there's a special meditation for bird that gets our human energy in bird energy mode. And here's the meditation. We take our hands in fist and open hand and breathe in. Then breathe out. Then fingertips together. Breathe in. Then breathe out. And that's the meditation you do before this particular Tao Lu or Kata with bird to get you in the spirit of the bird. The spirit when performing bird Kung Fu is very important. After we do the bird breathing, then our focus is going to be at the opponent to our left. We turn toward that opponent and we hook with the back of our wing, this back part. Hook their punch and block it. Then the right foot steps towards them and we cover on top this way, and the left hand goes boom and jabs underneath that way into a nice bow stance, a forward bow stance. From here we're going to circle back to left bow stance, circle and chop this way. After that, our opponent is now to our right side, multiple opponents. So I turn and hook out this way, cover on top, boom, jab underneath this way. And then again, circle, step back, and chop high and low. Good bow stance. From here, I turn and block the guy to my front, grab his wrist. Then bend my spine, capture his elbow underneath, and then pull him into a knee to the ribs. Right knee, hook out, elbow, and finger jab into their eyes. We're gonna call this section 1. Let's do it once from the back, full speed, so you guys can see how it looks, performance speed.